morning, guys. How are you? Happy Saturday. It's raining. You know what that means? Oh, what did you choose? One ponytail, of course. Leah's already done her brushing and can I do your half properly? Still not. As good as can be. Stressed herself. Waiting for Ava to get dressed. Just finished cleaning the house. Oh, what's wrong? Yeah. Squish the duck. We're gonna put our raincoats on because it's raining. It's raining outside. Again, because we get this question all the time. My sensory space, it's a sensory brush, so good. Sorry, it's got hair in it, but the little bristles help to detangle hair without hurting them. And then this is the Mercal, it's got gel on it. And this is the gel that we use from Mercal. I think she's sold out, to be honest, but still check out her website. Because I don't know if she restocked or not. But she sold out because they're amazing. Well done. Thank you. Don't forget to put sunscreen on. Waiting for Ava to get changed. I'm gonna get ready quickly. Guys, I just got changed. I'm waiting for Ava to get changed so I can do her hair. It's raining so much. I'm so freaking happy. Because that means hopefully no one will be at the zoo but us and the animals. I feel so good because I woke up early and I like cleaned the entire house, folded like 3 loads of washing. Got no more washing left in the basket, yay. And you know when you vacuum your carpet and it's got that vacuum print, it makes me so happy. It just gives me serotonin. Is that weird? But honestly, like that's what makes me happy. It's what makes me feel content when I feel a bit overwhelmed or clouded and stuff. And I've been feeling really funny lately for many reasons, but yeah, that's just, I wanted to share that with you because it's just the little things that make me so happy, like my car. Just gonna brush the hair. Don't know what to wear. Honestly, I feel like I have no nice clothes. And I don't want to buy any more clothes because I have like 20 pairs of jeans alone and I only like rotate 3 of them all the time. So I'm just going to try and use what I have before I waste money on clothes. Watch me say this now and then like in a month I go do a shopping spree because that's just how I say one thing. How shiny my face is. I only just exfoliated my face. Ava, come do your hair. Did you get changed? Come on, Missy. No one wants to hear me talk. I'm just waiting for you so I can do your hair. Hello.
Brush.
Oh yeah, brush.
Out.
Out. Yep. Hold on. Oh, sorry. I did call you, didn't I? Okay. Let me move. Yep. Go.
Take down.
Oh.
It's so big.
Strawberry. Is it strawberry or are you saying stop it? Whoops. Sorry. Oh, don't put it on the floor. Put it there. No, Mummy will put it in the rubbish.
Is it?
Lipstick already? Okay. No worries. Your hair looks crazy, Missy. Sorry. Just brush. Put some gel on the hair. Slick. Look at that. Beauty. Not my face, like I meant my hair. You can calm down now. Okay, let's do your hair. This is what I'm wearing. These jeans are so good because they're like super like stretchy, super comfy. To book, so I'm gonna take him to the zoo because it's for free, because you know we have a year membership, and god do we make the most of it. Feel like we owe them some money by now, but no. And I just booked to go to We Rock the Spectrum afterwards, so I've got to hurry up, get to the bloody zoo so I can get to my booking on time, because I booked it for an hour. I think it's 2 hours. 2 little space buns just to keep her hair out of her face. Okay, I've decided to do 2 space buns. You wait 1 sec. Trying to hurry up. You know what I love about this gel? That doesn't go all like crusty, you know? So at the end of the day, when everyone's gonna take her hair out, it's like so easy to just brush and it's still smooth. Okay.
Pink.
Okay. I was gonna braid it, but Ava says no. Okay. Need a brush because we gotta go. Mommy's honestly taking forever. You've had breakfast. Sissy's had breakfast. Mummy's dehydrated, but we won't go there. Okay. Yep. Put your sunscreen on. Yep. Put it on your legs, okay? On your legs. Thank you very much. Put it on your legs. Someone said that I'm using a filter. That's why Ava's teeth are so white. But you can count my freckles, fam. I'm not using any filter. Okay. See you guys. Have a beautiful day.